Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Chatfuel not working in 2026. If your chatbot is not responding, loading slowly, or showing errors, this guide will help you solve the issue step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable before doing anything else. Next, refresh the Chatfuel dashboard or restart your browser to fix temporary glitches. Now make sure you are logged into the correct Chatfuel account connected to your bot. Next, check if your Facebook page or Instagram account is still properly connected inside Chatfuel. Now reauthorize the connection if you see any disconnected or expired permission warnings. Next, ensure your chatbot flows are published and not left in draft mode. Now clear your browser cache and cookies to remove corrupted session data. Next, try opening Chatfuel in a different browser or use incognito mode. Now disable VPNs, ad blockers, or extensions that may interfere with Chatfuel. Finally, if nothing works, disconnect and reconnect your social media account or recreate the chatbot connection. And that's it, you've successfully fixed Chatfuel not working issues. Your chatbot should now run smoothly and respond without problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.